All right, if you ever want to control your lights remotely, this is a solution. All right, now not only lights, pretty much anything you want to plug into. Right, you got left and right. You got the power button you to program it. All right, you could turn it on manually if you want, but it comes with a remote, and the remote is really awesome because I'm gonna show you a couple of things. You could turn them all on, all off, and then you could turn each one of them on and off manually. You want to keep one light on, you can do that. If you want to turn them off, you can do that too. So I'm going to show you a couple of things and how it works because it also includes the battery. We're going to set this up so you guys can see it working with two different lights. So right now I have my string lights, if you guys can see, and then I have this light that I use here a lot. So right now we're going to connect this function to manage two of them, and it's waterproof, so you don't have to worry about leaving it outdoors. And we're going to connect this. All right, so it's late night. I have only one light in the back of me. We're going to turn on one light only first. All right, so there's the light that we just turned on right now. I'm going to try to focus on the back. We're going to turn that one off too, so let's turn that one off, and we're going to turn on the light in the back. All right, so see the lights in the back, and then we could turn them off, and then we could turn them on, all of them, and then we could turn them all off. So you have number one, number two, and then turn them all off and all on. All right, so we're going to turn on one, which is going to be this one in the corner. That's going to turn on, and then we could have the other ones turn on at the same time too. Let me kill this one off so you guys can see better. So with the remote, you're going to have waterproof, and then like I said, you could turn them all on at the same time, and then the last button's all off. So the first buttons for the first one, left, it's going to be to turn on. Right, it's going to be to turn off. The second button is going to be for the second to turn on, and the second on the right is to turn off, and then all on and all off. Right, so you have the remote, and of course we're going to do the second one only. Really simple. So if you're having a party, want to enjoy yourselves, and then of course we turn on off, we turn them on, and then we turn them on, this one on too. We have entire lights on. So very simple with the remote control to use them, and then you can turn them all off, of course. Turn them on, look at that, and turn them off. Hope you guys enjoy the video.